Let me just, yeah. Okay, we start again with triangles. We're gonna start with triangles, and let me see. Okay, and there we go. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is another book that we are practicing. So can you just, yeah, you message me your answers for the angles. Okay, we are just trying to read the angles. Okay, for A, what's B? Okay, I'm gonna. The first answer coming in. Let us see. All right, Farish, well done, Farish. What about the rest? Come, Putra. Don't say out the answer, Putra, but you send me the message. What the answer is. Carissa, sorry, the first one is not correct. You're looking at the wrong angle. Remember, you must start using the zero where there is a line. The line is here, you must use zero from here. Do not use zero from here, there's nothing here. You make sure that you, okay, all right. And what about Shalina? Okay, Naomi, okay, Larissa, okay. Mr. Shafia, where are you getting that from? Look, down here's the line. You start from zero here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, the answer is 60. All right, but we give and take 1 degree. If you say 61, okay, it can be arguable. Okay, the next one. Well done, Naomi. All right, what about the rest? What about Mr. Farish? Farish, the second one. B. Busy eating. Okay, Shalina, well done. Okay, Farish, well done. What about the rest? Come on. Carissa, well done. Carissa wants a 119. Okay. All right, it's arguable lah. Until you have the paper before you, then you can see. For now, you can see yes. Krishna Shafia, okay, the first one is 60, correct. What about one below? Putra, well done, Putra. For you're at 121. Okay. All right. Okay, we are going to move on. So this one is 60 degrees. You count from here. You see down here, there is actually zero here. Don't use the zero on this side. Okay, on this side. Sorry, don't use this. You have to use this and look 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Don't count backwards. Do not count 180, 100, something. No, don't count backwards. Okay, Ustaz Shafia, well done. Same thing down here, the zero is here. So you start counting from here until 120. Easy, yeah? It's easy. Okay, here we go now. Okay. Now they want you to find the unknown angles A and B. Remember, this is a straight line. A straight line is equals to 180 degrees. Remember. What do you think, Varish? Looks very nice. Is it pizza? Pizza. Allahu Akbar. Chicken. Chicken, wow. Chicken,
Sedapnya.
Sedap, ah. Betul lah.
Sikit lah, Farish.
Yeah. It's okay lah. Farish wants us to salivate. Let me later tell you about the, I think I may have told you about Pavlov's experiment. Okay, the next one, come on. Find A and B. Find A and B. You can use your calculator. Don't waste time. Use your calculator if you need to. Or if you want to. You have to. Come on, Putra. Come on, come on.
Why you wish me?
Why always you? Well done. Who's that? Carissa. First one. I think the pre-fight doesn't know how to do this one. Okay. I will show you how to do. Down here now. Yeah, you take your calculator down. Down here, can you see this is, I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay, I'm going to draw a straight line now. So down here, draw a straight line. Okay. Down here, watch, this straight line. If a straight line, how many degrees is it? Okay, we see, we see how many degrees it is. Down here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and 80. So the angle from here to here is 180 degrees. Remember that, huh? From here to here, same, 10, 20, blah, 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 until you reach 180 degrees. So you must remember a straight line, if there's angles, you will add up 180 degrees. Okay, remember that, okay? So here we go now, we go at the bottom, you have a look now, and you find out what is angle A. Some of you say, I do not know what to do. Okay, I'll show you now. What is the angle from here to here? 180. You want to find A, take 180 minus what? Minus 41. And then after that minus, not 188, 180, 180 minus 41, and minus 41, then minus 57, then you will get your answer, which according to Putri Karissa, the answer is 82, is it? 82. And she is correct. Okay, you can use your calculator to check this, no problem. Okay, this is 98. So you try the next one now. This square angle, you know what is this, right? This means 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So can you find out? What is B? What is B? Okay, we have a few answers coming in. Wow. Wow, let's see. Farish, well done for the first one. And the second one, Farish, Selina, Nayu, you are saying that's the answer. Let us see. Sorry, let me see. I want to shift it.
So I'm the first one, sir.
You're the first one, You're the first one. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Well done. Those of you who got 51, well done. So what about Shafia? Look at this. Did this, yes? Yeah. Putra didn't do it. Putra, I thought you would take care of your brother. But I see
Putra eating only.
Eating, but he must follow Faris. Faris eating also can do. Now down here, 180, you minus 39, minus 90, you get 51. Shafia, you know how to do, Can you use calculator, Shafia? This whole thing, Shafia, is 180 degrees. Minus 39, minus 90, will get 51 degrees. You must know this, otherwise later on you'll be stuck. Some of you, you might not know this, you might be stuck with food. Like one boy, he's known as the Prince. You know there's someone by the name of Prince also last time? Oh, no, not Prince. You don't know? There's a few Prince.
I know the Prince Alibaba.
Prince Alibaba? Alibaba is not a prince, he's a thief. How come a thief become prince? Never mind, later we check. Okay. Remember, we learned already last week, 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. If you try the experiment by measuring, you will know that is true. So we are supposed to find what is A and B. And please go, you can use your calculator. Prince, There's one preacher by the name of Joseph Prince. There's another one, the singer Prince. Oh, Karissa very fast. But I don't think the answer is correct, Karissa. Your first one, is it correct? Oh, yeah. Could be. Let me check.
So my answer correct.
Okay, let me check. Okay. Your answer is correct. Well done for first one.
Yay.
Second one is, but your brother is he giving that? Okay, second one correct. Shalina, first one correct. Triangle, total 180 degrees. Total 180 degrees, confirm. If you don't believe this, Farish, after the lesson, you draw any triangle, you start measuring. measuring, you will find it's 180 degrees when you add the three angles up. No matter how many triangles you try to draw the most weirdest of triangle. What does this prove? This proves that God exists.
Sir,
What-
my answer correct.
Yes, the answer is correct for the second one, but there's no answer for the first one. Do you give the first one? Yes, you give it.
Yes.
Congratulations. Naomi, well done for the first one.
Thank you.
Okay, wow. Well done, Naomi. You are getting faster and faster, Naomi. Shalina, well done. Shafia, come on, Shafia, get a calculator, come on. Naomi, the second one is not that. You must take 180 minus 28 minus 47. You're going to be 33. Please try again. Use a calculator. Okay, we are going to move on. 180 minus 72 minus 69. What's the answer, Miss Shafia? Yes, first one is 39. 39 degrees. Second one, Shafia. 180 minus 47 minus 28. What do you get over here?
15.
15.
105.
105. Notice 105 is bigger than a 90-degree angle. You can see this, right? Now, what does this prove? All the three angles at 180. It proves that God created even things in the imaginary world. This is all in the imaginary world. Triangles, squares, and all. This is called the abstract world. Okay, when you learn next time, it's called abstract world. That means God created a whole system, But of course, we are not learning about God in school because it has become a godless society. What godless society? There's some people who don't believe in God at all. And some believe in funny gods. Later I'll show you funny gods. Okay, try C and D. C and D, come on. Putra, what is this square thing? It represents 10 or 20 degrees, Putra. 10 or 20. This one, Putra. This
90.
90, yeah. Remember, Abang Putra says 90. We say 90 macam nak gaduh gitu. Tak apa. Well done, Putri Karisa.
My sir like this, I got soft throat.
Oh, true. Okay, well done, Shalina. Let me see. Mr. Well done, Karisa for D also. Come on, Naomi, Shalina, Shafia. Well done, Mr. Farish. A straight flush, one shot, you give answer. Answer this and that. Naomi, well done. Is it easy, Naomi? Easy, yeah? Shirley. Yes, good. Okay. Shafia, well done. One more. D. Come on. 180 minus 33 minus 29. What do you get? So far, Putra didn't give answer. See, Putra, he's on. Sometimes on, sometimes off. Kakak, you press the button on the forehead. Must press the button so that it works. Okay, Naimi, well done.
Oh, is it? Okay.
You see, he forgot to turn on himself. 180 minus 33 minus 29 is 118. Well done. Okay, we are moving on. We're moving on. Because if dreaming, how? Don't dream, please, boy. You can dream after this. Okay, here we go. Now, very simple. We are not going to do. Is this a right angle or not? Not yet. Not yet. This one. Hold on. What did he say? Find the unknown angle A. Unknown angle A. Now this word, you know what this means? This word, you know what this means? Identical. You know what's identical?
Yeah.
What is it? Same. Okay.
Yeah.
We see. Okay. Let's say now we have this one. Just double check. You all must know what's the meaning of this. Okay. Putra. Every time I turn on, Putra says. Okay. Definition. You can write definition. Identical. Okay. It means.
So what's this one got my face?
Yeah, because you're popular. Similar in every detail.
Sure.
Yeah.
When I search my name, right, they come up my face.
Yeah. Okay. So identical twins, these are different identical twins. That means they look almost exactly the same. For example, let's look at this guy. Okay, you do not know which is which. You don't know. This one. Identical twins, identical twins. This one, you may not know. Maybe one have tahi lalat, one don't have tahi lalat. We do not know. These are identical twins. But some twins are not identical. Some twins are not identical. Some twins, yeah. Like you and You alone.
Like you and me.
You and me? Oh, no, ma. Mama, mama. Okay. Can you try this? So they are saying the triangle is the same. If the triangle is the same, the angles are the same. Okay, let's see. Fraternal is different. Yeah,
Answer correct.
let me see,
Teacher,
let me see.
do you know this one?
Sure.
Do you know that Prince Sangila Utama?
Uh-huh. Do I know him? Sangnil Tama, yeah?
Yeah, he's a prince.
Yeah, he's a princess, right? Okay, let's see. Naomi, 12. Okay, well done. Those of you say 12. Okay, great. So now some of you say how to do this one. I can only find this triangle. Say 180 minus 111 minus this thing, 57, I get 12. But I do not know how to find A. Remember the word identical on here. Means this A is the same as this one. Let's say we call this B is the same as this one. C is the same as this one. So that's what it means. Okay, just be wary of it. Okay. Okay, Singapore math sometimes can be very tricky, but at this stage it's still quite simple. Okay. Now, hold on. No. We do not want this one. Find the unknown mark angle. You know what this is? Those of you who say, why is it they have this one like that? You know what is this? Is it misai? Mustache? No.
The same.
The same. What triangle you call this?
Isolator.
Isolator. Okay. Isolator. Kakak, is it correct? Isos. C. Lease. Okay. So let's say we have to go through to check out whether what this is so. So isolator. Okay. No such. Oh, there's isolator. This is isolator. Yeah, I do not know. But this one is isolator. I do not know lah. There's no such thing as isolator lah. Isosceles. Can you see? Isosceles triangle. That means two sides are the same. This always reminds me like this. It reminds look at the eye. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of this. The stingray. If you look at the underside of it, this one, can you see now? For me, it just reminds me of an isosceles triangle. I do not know, but some of you, when you see a stingray, you imagine like down here. It looks cute, but some of you will imagine what? Having nice barbecue seafood meal. Okay, come. Don't chonteng on the screen, please. Come. We do this one. Please find answer for A. Very easy.
Am I correct?
Hold on. I think you are absolutely correct. Well done to you and Mr. Farish. Okay, so you have done that, so we have to show you now the next question. Otherwise, you'll be unoccupied. Putra, please check again. Putra, remember there's two angles. No, what is this angle? You must know what this angle is, Putra. How many degrees?
42.
42. So you must take 180 minus 42 minus 42. Then you get the third one on here. Remember, you must take 180 minus 42 minus 42. Then you get this angle here. Let us see now for Mr. Just hold on now. Let me just calculate now. Well done to Miss Putri and Farish. And then what about 136 now? Same thing, Shafia. These two angles are the same. This is also 42. Because why? This thing down here, this means they are the same. If the sides are the same, it means the angles are the same. So 180 minus 42 minus 42, you get 96, Shalina says. And she is correct. Okay. So I repeat that, Shafia, Naomi, and all. You look at this triangle, these two angles are the same. So this is 42 also. So take 180 minus 42 minus 42, you get this answer. Okay, we go to the bottom one. Okay, we try now bottom one now. Okay, while Farish and Putri Karisa can do C. The rest, please do B. Shafia, come on, Shafia, you can do this. Well done, Carissa. Well done. Very fast, huh? Very fast. Yeah, later I'll tell you something. Well done, Farish. What about the rest? What about the rest? If Farish, why you do that? I have seen, you know, on the car, there's the dog. You know, the dog with the movable head. Nayu, let's see, yeah, Naomi. Is she correct? Naomi, what these two angles are the same. Okay, so now we have to go for this one now. Now we ask Mr. Putra, what is this angle over here? Is it 26 or is it B?
What?
Which one? Is this 26 or B?
Is
This
it this? B.
B. So what do you do now? Step one, take 180
Minus 26.
26. Then you get the answer, which is 154. Then what do we do after that, Putra? 154 is for how many B angles?
3 divided by
2 angles. 2 angles is equals to 154. So Shafia, Naomi, you know. So you want one angle, the B angle, you divide by 2. You know why you have to divide by 2? Because it's 2 angles, one. So you have to divide by 2. So what do you get? You get 77 degrees. Okay?
yes.
Are we okay? Let's see. What about the rest? Shafia, you get it, Shafia? Shafia busy lah. Okay, never mind. We move on now. We try the next one. Okay, we move on to the next one over. Hey, this one have you done? Farish all have done. No, we better go to something. Okay, this one now. This one now. Please try find. Can you find A and B? Okay, we are not check just A and B. Very fast, very fast. Let me see. Correct, Miss Carissa. For the first one, A. What about B? Carissa, let's see.
So is my answer
Congratulations.
correct?
Your answer, Putra? Yes, congratulations. Farish, well done, straight flush. You seem to be give a double punch. Be careful, if you get to fight Farish, he will not throw one punch, he'll throw 2 punches straight. What about the girls? Come on, Shalina, Shafia, Naomi, are you all here now? Nayu. Where are you, Nayu? Come on, you can do this. Okay, well done. But how do you get 56? Do you minus or you guess? Because they didn't tick, so the first
What
step.
is it? Who?
No, Naomi. Okay, let's see. Yes, well done, Shalina. So you all must make sure you minus. Down here they don't put. So 180 minus 68 minus 56, you get 56 or so. The next one now, minus. Well done. The last one. Come on. Chia yo. We're waiting for you. Come on, Shalina. Well done, Putra. Putra, you give answer.
Yay.
Okay, so 180 minus 64 minus 54. The answer is 62. Okay. So we have to move on. Otherwise, some of your friends become very bored. You all know, right, what happens when the teacher is not in the classroom, what happens? The students can even
They
fight.
start talking.
Yeah, can even fight. You might even have. Okay, we try now. We try this one now. Careful, you want to find out now. Wow. Okay, well done, Carissa. Well done. Wow, very fast, Oh,
It's so easy for me.
well done, Farish. Because you already know the methods. It's like in primary 1, you start learning on the count 1, 2, 3. You don't see easy. Yes, it's easy, true. As you grow older, you learn more and more difficult skills that seem easy and easier and easier, and things get easier and easier. All right, come on, the rest. Okay, the rest will take some time. Putra, don't you think, Putra? Putra, no, Putra. Be a good prince. Be a happy prince. Come on, what about the rest? How to do this one? These two are the same. Take 180 minus 60 first. 180 minus 60. What do you get? You get 120. Why? So 180 minus 60, you get 120. What is 120? 120 is for these two angles, 1 and 2. Remember, the line is here, so this is also A. So what you're going to do, 2A angles is equals to 120. A is equals to 120 divided by 2. Okay. And then what do you get? You get 60 lah. So Naomi, Shafia, you must remember these two are the same. Huh? Well done, children. How do you know the same? You see this line here? This line shows they are the same. The one is sandwiched in between. You see, there's one is sandwiched in between. This one is sandwiched in between. This will be maybe the different one. Maybe. Okay, down here you'll find out it's also 60. Okay, we move on. Huh? We need to move on because we are seeing some students are distracted already. Okay, you try now. Question number D. Wow, very fast. I just turned my head and got the answer already. Very scary, man. Harish, so they say you got the answer. Well done. Let me see whether you're right. I'm not even calculated. I'm a little bit scared of both of you now. 76. Okay, correct. Both your answers correct. Carissa and Farish. Your difference is normally 1-2 seconds now. Shalina, you got to check. You have to check. Which two angles are the same? Naomi, you can
Am I
see.
too fast for you? I already get my answer.
Your answer is too fast and wrong.
No, the last one.
Yeah, this is 52, right? For which one? D. So let us do together. Okay, what is this angle, Mr. Putra? This angle is how much?
This is 76 cm.
76, not cm, degrees.
Degree.
So now you take 180. You use your calculator, minus 76.
Minus 76 degree.
Yeah, how much is it? 2 times minus. How much you get? You get 52? Shalina, do you get 52? You must try. What do you get? 28. Yes, 28 degrees. Okay, so you just check. Okay, remember, don't worry, no worries. Okay, take your time. Now I want you to see down here. Can you see now? You have this line here, this line here. It means that these two angles are the same. The one that is sandwich. Can you see this sandwich angle? The one that touches both lines with the thing. This is the different one. Notice that. So if I give you this one like that, and I put like that, do you know whether it's A, B, or C that's going to be different angle? Who knows? A, B, or C? You can just tell me. A, B, or C? Putra, A, B, or C? Which one is going to be different? A, B, or C?
B.
B. Is it B? Now let us see. Let us see. Look carefully. Which two have a line? This one has a line. This one has a line. So the sandwich angle is between is this one. A is different. Okay. The one at the end here, these two are going to be the same. Okay. All right, we move on. Let's move on. All right, this one and go. This one will be very fast. Carissa going to get the answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, she's not that fast. Carissa, you made a careless mistake. And your brother might laugh at you. Your brother, he laughed at like this. Naomi, congratulations. First one to get it. Naomi, well done. Hey, pingsan. Hey. Naomi, you got nice hair. Okay, I will try to take, you can become the model for, what you call this fringe, is it? Long fringe.
Why is it wrong, sir? Why?
Because you forgot to diva. Oh, yes, sorry. You're right. Sorry, miss. Sorry, I was dreaming. So sorry.
I was the first.
Yes, you're first. Well done. She is correct. Okay, this is 45. Naomi, you're wrong. 180 minus 45 get 90. Okay. Sorry, my mind was just for a moment is somewhere else. Well done, Shafia, Farish, Carissa, Naomi. 180 minus 45. Okay, so what does it mean? Notice, if you are not focused, I'm teaching yet my mind can wander, no? Just for a moment. Why? Because I'm getting messages from parents sometimes. And then my mind is for a moment. So be careful if, let's say, you're holding a knife and then you are distracted and then you cut someone or cut yourself. ever happened. You know to who? In the story of Prophet Yusuf, Joseph. But never mind, we come to that later, okay? Now we try now. Can you do this? I will mark the angles, okay? This is the blue one. This is the red one. Okay, let's see. Shafia has given the first answer. Is she correct? Carissa, first one is correct, Shafia. The second one, you have given the answer for the second one. Shafia, so correct. Answer for the second one is correct. But now you got to find the first one, which is the blue one. You have given the red one. Farish, can do Farish? Can, can. Remember, can. Shalina, can. Farish, you forgot something. Hey, these two angles are boys and girls. Remember, you have a line down here. Ikan pari, stingray. These two are the same. So what must you do? Take 180 minus 90. You get 90, but must divide by 2. So first step 1, 180 minus 90. What do you get? 90. But 90 is for two angles, not one angle. And this is 90 degrees for both angles. 90 degrees divided by 2, you get 45. So this is 45. This is also 45. You okay? You understand what I'm talking about? Yes, right? Shalina, you understand? Yes. What about this first one now? Shafia got an answer. Well done. I think only Shafia got an answer. Hey, what about the rest? What about Carissa? Did she have the answer? She. Oh, what happened? Carissa?
Did she?
She's not there. Come on, boys and girls. Parish, come on. Nayu has given the answer. Oh, Shafia has given the answer. Shafia. Hey, hey. But Shafia, your answer is not correct. I'm so sorry to tell you. Okay, your answer is not correct. My mistake. And how can I be floating? Oh God. I'm looking at Shafia's answer. Oh my goodness. They say physical punishment not allowed, but if you hit your own self, is it allowed? Putra, can I hit myself? So happy, yeah. Okay, let us see now. We are going to erase this one by one. This is a little bit tricky, yeah. So now you must be like the horse. Okay, Carissa says that. Let us see, yeah.
I'm correct.
Okay, wow, she's very confident. I am correct. Okay, so let us see whether she's correct or not. First of all, we agree just now. We already done CAD. CAD is 45. Okay. Now I'm going to use my special pen or pencil to remove something. I'm going to remove this line here. Okay. And then I want you to see just the big triangle. But this angle you can find because this is 90 degrees. This is 17 degrees.
90 plus 17.
How much do you get? 19 plus 17.
I cannot see this.
107.
Cannot see the screen, lama. Hold on. How come you cannot see the rest can see? Okay, I need to just because one cannot see. I will project again. I will project again. Okay, can you see the screen, Miss Shafia? I cannot see you. How can you not see the screen? Okay, now. So now can you see this big triangle here? Take 180 minus 45 minus 107. Some of you cannot still see. So I need to draw for you. So sometimes you may need to do that. You need to draw the whole thing like that. Like that. So you know this is 45. Okay, good. This one is how much? This one? 107. How you get 107? Remember 90 degrees here plus 17. Then what? How to find the last one? Very simple. 180 minus 45 minus 107. And you will get, according to Miss Carissa, is 28, and she is correct. Are you confused?
I did say.
You didn't say. You said 28, right? 28 is correct.
I
So
said
now-
I am going to get correct.
You're going to get correct. Okay. So she got it correct. All right. Here down here. So the point down here is what? You got to be like the horse. Have I shown you about the horse the other day? I showed you the horse.
How many
What?
things you want to show?
No, but you understand what it means, right? Sometimes
the cover thing, right?
you need to cover certain stuff for you to be able to see. So let us see that part. Okay, this is part of geometry. So maybe you might not understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to give you young woman, old woman picture. Okay, this optical illusion. So it's like this, you know. Can you all see that? Can you see the young woman and old woman down here? You can see the young woman.
Yes.
Can you see the old woman?
Yes.
Can see old woman.
Yes. This thing is the hair. This thing is the young hair.
Okay, so that one young woman. Okay, now old woman. Erase that. Old woman is where?
Old woman is here. Here.
Where?
This
Where?
big. This big.
Yes. Okay. So down here now is the nose lah of the old woman. Can see now? Big nose of the old woman.
The tai lalat.
Down here is the eye. The eye. She's wearing like a scarf like that lah. Okay. You
I
get it?
can't
Huh?
see.
Okay, can't see. Okay, we do it. We clear again. Hold on. Okay, Can you see now? This now for young woman. This is the neck. This one she's wearing something around collar around the neck. This is her chin. This is the nose. This is the eyelashes. This is the ear. This is like her hair. A hair or bun with a feather. That's young woman. Old woman, this is the mouth. This is the chin. This is the face. This is the nose. This is the eye. She looks quite sad. Can you see that? Can see that? So young woman, old woman. Now this is the skill you need to master in angles. Sometimes you got to see one way, sometimes you got to see another way. So you must not put yourself down. Let us look at other images. Do they have other images? Let's see.
How about the prince?
Prince. Prince, hold on. Prince, there's no young woman, old woman. There's another one, you know. Okay, we call this optical illusion, is it? Optical illusion. Let me see. They have maybe this one now. What do you see? Bird. Okay. Anyone see something else? Anyone sees a rabbit or not? Can see the rabbit or not?
Also kind of a duck.
Okay, so this is the big. If you see the bird, this is the big. This is the eye. But if you see a rabbit, can you see a rabbit? This is the face, the nose down here, the eye. This is the ears of the rabbit. Can see not? So you can see a rabbit. You can also see a bird. You know
duck.
A duck lah, a duck, bird or whatever. So down here now, what am I saying? This is the skill for angles. You must be able to see this. Let us see now. Any more we have any more. There's one with the boat. Science Center, have you ever seen the boat? Okay, what do you see here? What do you see here?
A human and a
A
fish.
human and a fish eye.
And a fish.
Yeah, you have two fish swimming in the dark, or you have like a girl with two eyes, okay, or something. All right. So what is the point? Now we come back now to maths. The point is you must be able to see from different angles. Okay, don't give up. If you find it difficult, don't give up. Just look at it. Sometimes you will see it. Sometimes you might take a longer time. That's okay. Okay, now what you know, not going to draw, not going to draw, not going to draw, not going to sketch, we are not going to sketch, we're not going to sketch, we're not going to sketch. I've got so many sketches.
I love sketching.
Oh my goodness, that's the end of it. Okay, so now we are going to go to another. Okay, we have to, so fast, eh? Okay, we are now going to go to actual questions in your examinations. Hold on, just hold on. Okay, this one's area. We're not going to go for area. We're going for angles. Notice, I'm giving you practice with test papers. Why? This will prepare you for the exam, whatever exam lah. Okay, It might be, can you try this one first? Okay, don't say the answer, please type in the answer. Type in the answer. Naomi, are you okay, Naomi? You must know where the zero is. You must start counting from the zero from the right place. Let us see. Wow. Farish and Carissa, congratulations to both of you. Okay, very fast, very fast. Well done, Shalina. Do we have any story? I will show you some pictures later. Okay, and then maybe there might be a story there. The cat story. Okay, if we have time, okay, inshallah, inshallah. Well done, Shafia. Congratulations, Shafia. What about the rest? Putra, well done. Putra, well done, well done. Naomi can get, Naomi, come. You count the zero from here. Why? Because the line is here. Tang, 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 ting, tong, ting, 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 tong, ting. How much is it? You must count at the bottom. Start zero from here. Don't count backwards. This is not so it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Well done, Naomi. 104. Well done. Although on top here, you look at 70 plus. Don't write 70 plus, please. Okay, good. You all are getting better and better, inshallah. You must always believe in yourself. You say, I don't believe myself. Don't say that, okay? You must always believe. So one test paper is almost down. Let us see. This one, you don't know how to do. No. Angles. Let us stick to angles. Okay. Stick to angles. Come on. Any more angles? If not, I have to give you now prelim papers at P6.
Don't have to.
I think they have no. I have quite a number of P5 papers. Oh, don't have any more. How do you know? Because I have the power.
Because we got do this paper before.
Really? When? When do you do it?
No.
My class.
Are you sure?
Putra is lying too.
Let us believe him. Let him give him a benefit of doubt. Okay, here we go. You try the next one. We want to find what is angle DAF. Daffy Duck. Def. Wow, Putra, very fast, Putra. Because of my but I think your answer is incorrect. Putra, please try again. Maybe. But it is true. Congratulations, Carissa, very fast. Who is that? Showing Shafia. Yes, you're showing me calculator. Okay, very nice calculator. I want to buy that one. I like to buy. Nayu, congratulations, Nayu, well done. Okay, give another curl to your hair. Yeah. Come on. Well done, Yumi. I hope I'm not dreaming. I think well done after Indian, I get it wrong.
You're not dreaming, you're drifting.
Drifting, yes, drifting. Well done, Farish.
Thank you. I memorized.
What about Putra? Yeah, I told you it's wrong.
Okay, yeah.
You're so happy to get it wrong. Yeah, I'm just worried. No, he's going for competition. Okay, Putra, your answer is wrong.
Stop.
Okay, Putra, yes, well done. So now, how to find out? Let us see. Husna Shafia. Okay, let us see. Actually, I think Carissa has a very unique way of finding. I think so, but let us check. These two angles are the same because the sandwich angle is different.
Do you want me to explain?
You use a shortcut method, is it? Okay, you explain. You explain it and note it. And now we have Putri, Carissa explaining, and action, please.
Okay, so basically, rectangle, there's 90 degrees at the end.
Okay, so 90 degrees here,
right,
is it?
Here.
Oh, down there also. Okay, all right.
Then what is it called? This triangle here is an isosceles because of these things.
Yes, these two things.
So 180 minus away 64 and then divide by 2 so that we get this one of the end.
Okay, hold on.
180
minus 64, you get 116, right? So Putri is saying 116 is for these two balanced angles. And then what do you do?
And then 90. No. 180 divided by 2.
116 divided by 2. Okay, you get
Then you get 58.
58. Good. And then after that, what do you do?
90 minus 58.
Okay, hold on. Just maybe remove this one for us so they can see again.
Okay.
So down here now,
Okay.
what Putri is saying down here very clearly, because this is a rectangle, this is 90 degrees. And then we already found out this is 58. So you take 90 minus 58. That is one method, very good method. Anyone got another method? A very fast method. You get 32 here. I'm going to show a fast method, but you got okay, Faris, show me a fast method. You have a fast method? Okay, what is the method?
I don't have a fast method.
Okay, what's the fast method? Oh, you don't have fast method. Okay, now I show you. Okay, watch carefully. Okay, now this is, if you have a line like this is parallel to this. These two angles will be the same, but it must be parallel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line in between here that's parallel. Watch. Now this one is 90 degrees parallel, right? Parallel. 64 divided by 2, 32. Now can you see the Z? Can you see this is equals to this? Another method. So there's a few methods. So that's why I wanted you to see the old woman, young woman, the rabbit, the duck or something. For you to see at different angles, you can have different solutions. It's okay. Whichever method is you choose, so long as the method is okay, it's all right. Okay, you try this one. Okay, maybe you have not learned this thing, so I'm just going to explain something for a while. This one, just a moment. Now, if I have now a line down here and a line down here and like this, what is all these angles add up to? All of this, who knows?
180.
360.
No, 360, yeah?
North, south, east, west.
Yes, okay, so 360. Now, how do we know this 360? Watch. Now, down here, you can divide this into 280 degrees. Down here, 180. Down here, 180. You plus together, you get 360. Or you can have 4 90 degrees. All right, 90 degrees, 90, 90, 90, 90. You times 90 by 4, get 360. So that's the only clue you're going to get. We are now going to go back now to your question. Please try this. I already learned. Well done. You learn, when do you learn this? Farish, in school?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. After this, I'll just show you some stuff for you to. You want to find angle AOF. AOF. So where is AOF? Let us see. AOF is here. So now we'll try give an answer. This is the first guy to give the answer. We'll see whether it's correct now. It's different from Naomi's answer. Putra is different from Naomi's. Let's see who's correct. Putra, I'm so sorry to tell you your answer is
Correct.
not correct. Wow. And well done to Naomi and Carissa. Your answers are correct. What I just explained is now you don't need to worry because actually they tell you about the straight line, and straight line is 180 degrees. That's your clue. Okay. Naomi, well done. Come in first, Naomi. What's your secret, Naomi? She's frozen. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now we're gonna ask down here, Miss. Okay, Shafia, this line down here, they say is a straight line. You see down here, COD, cash on delivery, straight line. So cash on delivery, okay, COD lah, not cash on delivery. Is 180 degrees. Remember now, you use your protractor 180 degrees. Just 180 minus 42. Minus 63, you get this angle. And this angle is vertically opposite, is equal to this angle. If you have two straight lines like that, these two angles are the same. So you find what is this angle down here, this one. 180 minus 42 minus 63, what do you get? You get 75. Opposite angles are the same. If you don't believe, If you don't believe, you take a scissors. Where's scissors? Don't have. You don't believe. Sorry, Okay, those of you who don't understand, opposite angles are the same. This one, oh, sorry, not here. You see the top and bottom are the same angle. You make it smaller, the bottom becomes smaller. You make it bigger, the bottom becomes bigger. So this opposite, vertically opposite are always the same if it's a straight line. But if let's say it's not a straight line, let's say now you have, I cannot break. Let's say I break this pencil. Should I break the pencil? Better not.
No, break it.
Oh, very hard. This is
Easy.
from where?
Just use
break
both
it
your
for you.
hands.
Okay,
Use
let's say
both
now.
your hands and break it.
Oh,
Ah.
now down here, Shalina, I've wasted my pencil. Listen to. Now down here, can you see vertically is not the same? Because the line is bengkok. Line and bengkok, opposite angle not the same. You must be straight. Must be
So why
straight.
you patahkan?
Yes, now my wife is going to ask me why I broke the pencil. I'm sorry.
Why are you
Okay,
going
bye.
to use that pencil?
I was scared she might beat me. Okay, now down here. Down here. Can you see that? If it's straight, top and bottom is same. Vertically opposite is the same. If you don't believe, you can use your hand lah. You know why Ultraman does this? Because it's vertically opposite.
Wakanda.
Panda Kung Fu.
Wakanda.
Wakanda.
Oh, Wakanda. The poor guy Wakanda. You know what happened to him? He died.
He died already. It's
Yeah.
cancer.
It's, I feel so sad. Okay, but anyway, let us try down here. See, I feel so sad. Some of you laughing. So this one opposite, they are equal. You take 180 minus this, you get this answer 75. So this one is also 75. All right, let me, so we are done with this. I just want to show you something because some of you might be uncareful, you know. I know some of you are uncareful. You just walk anyhow. And then, so I want you to know, I've showed this to some of the students.
I'm
Hungry-
jealous.
Hungry Ghost Festival in Singapore.
No.
You all know now. You all see all this?
Yes.
Okay.
I cannot
We-
step on it.
Don't step on it. Why?
Because got something follow you later.
They have genes lah. My uncle, when he was young, this many years ago, he go and urinated at a tree where people used to pray. So there are some people praying to trees, worshipping trees. Let's say if we just put like that. So there are people worshipping trees also. See, some pray to the trees. So imagine you go urinate down there. You do not know what's there. Maybe a jinn going down there, and after that, he could hear voices. For many years, he was disturbed. But this happens for a reason. It made him more religious, a Muslim. But what am I saying? Now in Singapore, you have Hungry Ghost Festival. When is it? Okay, so Hungry Ghost Festival, you can
This
see.
month.
Yeah, 22nd August, Sunday, Ghost Festival. The Ghost Festival lasts for about a few weeks or a month. Okay, down here. A festival unlike any other in Singapore, Hungry Ghost Festival. Every year for 1 month, the Chinese honor the memories of those who have died. The Hungry Ghost Festival is much rooted in Buddhist and but anyway, they are feeding the ghosts. Okay, we don't believe in that. Okay, they believe that the souls of the dead, they are roaming around the earth, traveling around the earth. Actually, this is not the soul. This is actually jinns. You know what a jinn? Okay, not jeans as in pants. So they say this is what they are the pantang like. 8 things you should never do during Hungry Ghost. Don't hang your clothes outside during the night. We don't believe in that. It's nonsense. Unless they're burning, then all the ashes get stuck to your clothes. Then you go to school, you smell of ashes. That's different. Don't stand close to the wall. We don't believe in this. Don't take the last bus or train. No, we don't believe. Don't leave your slippers facing towards the bed. We don't wear our slippers in the bedroom. Don't take pictures at night. What nonsense. Don't shave your legs. Oh my goodness. Don't whistle. Okay. Well, this is what some of them believe. We don't believe that. But why is it important for you to have knowledge about this? Because when you're walking, sometimes you might step on this, you know. So, and don't make fun of them because you do not know what genes are there.
I
So,
need to. I think I got like something I need to talk about.
okay. So if let's say you accidentally kick something, you just ask Allah as you're walking. You just read that. Okay. Yes, Farish.
Because this one, right, every time I see, then they will food. Then after the day, right, then I see, how come the food don't have anymore? So right, I think right, so someone just like take the food and eat it.
Yeah, possible. Like my friend, I used to have a friend who always take the orange and apple and eat it, you know. When I was in the army, please go and drink your water, please. So what happened? I told him you cannot eat this because in the Quran Allah says you cannot eat food that is used for prayers and worshipping other beings other than Allah. You cannot eat that. That means when I went to Sarawak, you know, I did the documentary. And then on the Bomo, you know what the Bomo did? The Bomo going to take a chicken. Now they're going to sacrifice the chicken. Then they pass me the knife. I say, why you pass me the knife? He said, you potong lah. Because Muslim lah, you potong, they can be halal. I said, no. Because they are going to worship their gods, you see? You know what I mean? What is that? Oh, Carissa, is that get scary, man? Okay, so anyway, they'll be burning. I do not know whether you know about this. Yes. So this is a very...
See before.
See what before?
Did it?
Okay, yeah, you have seen that. Okay, so now this one is hell bank note. Can you see? So they are burning money hell bank. They believe that this money will be transferred lah to the next life, so they can use it to buy and sell and pay whatever.
So this one is for the spiritual world.
Yeah, that's what they believe lah. But of course, hell is not only for the Chinese, right? It's for everyone. It can't be only the Chinese have a bank. But there's no such thing as bank in the hell. Who's going to run the bank? There's no such thing. But of course, we don't make fun of them. Okay, if they want to worship this, yeah, it's up to them. Okay, but we must respect their freedom to do so. Just like someone worshiping stone, let's say, worship stone. You think that people worshiping stone? Let's see. You see that people worshiping stone going there doing stuff?
Worshipping stone.
Yeah, yeah. You see this one now. People worship stone, worship either. Yeah.
How about the Buddhists?
Buddhists. Now, Buddhists actually don't believe in God, but I personally believe that Buddha was actually a prophet of God, but they changed their religion. Just like Prophet Jesus is a prophet, they call him God. I think the same thing happened to the Buddhist religion, but it's difficult to prove because now the religion say there's no such thing as God. There's no creator. Buddhists don't believe there's a creator, you know. Shafia, please carry on. Shafia, please carry on. Okay, Shafia, carry on. Shafia.
How about the free?
Can I share my screen for a while?
Ice cream.
Yes.
Sell ice cream.
No, I want to share. I want to share screen for a while.
Share screen. Okay, what you gonna? Okay, at the end. I say ice cream later. Okay. Okay. So later, next time I will explain to you about Hinduism. You need to understand all this, you know, because you are living in a multiracial society. You cannot be only know your religion only. What happened?
Hello.
Hello. It's too loud, lah. Too loud. Okay, can we try this one now? No. This one, no. This one, sorry, yeah. We want angles. Angles. This one. All the best, huh? They want you to find the value P. This one looks like a P6 question, but it's P5. Rhombus means Senget square. I will mark for you the rhombus. This is one rhombus. This is another rhombus.
This is too easy.
Really? Wow.
Yes.
Okay. You can get.
So this is so easy.
Really? Okay, let us see whether you get it right. You got answer, but Farish have not given right. So Putri, you given your answer. Putra, his answer is different from Putri. Let us see. Okay.
Am I correct?
Hold on. Congratulations, Miss Putri. Putra, you got to check answer, Putra.
Is it
Putra, you got one part of the answer correct. I think. Yes, I think you got one part of the answer correct. Farish, well done.
36.
36 or 30? Oh, you're talking.
Oh, I typed wrongly.
Do you consider this hard?
This is hard for P5.
Huh?
Okay, it's hard for some P5 except for Farish.
And everyone here who solve it
Yeah, I think so.
in
Because
under 1 minute.
you must remember, you have gone through this in class. Some of them have not gone through this in class.
Oh wait,
Am
no.
I correct?
Won't you in tuition?
Yeah, you're correct. I told you, you are correct. You got it.
Oh, number here.
You're
At
correct.
least
You
like
got
it's so
correct.
easy.
Easy, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to go through one by one. Okay, one by one. So now we do the small triangle here, lah.
Huh?
180 minus 108. You get 72. 72 is for these two angles because these two angles are the same. So what must you do? Take 72 divided by 2. You get 36. So this angle here is 36. Down here, the blue color angle is 36 degrees. So now how? You want to find P, you must find the whole thing. You must find this whole thing from here to here, from here to here. How to find? Same thing, do the same thing. Now, if you say, I cannot see, I want you to draw this triangle there. Draw the big triangle. Then you can see better. Remember the horse? Remember young woman, old woman? Remember duck and rabbit? Now these two are the same. So why did you find the big angle? So how to find? 180 minus 38. What do you get? 142. So 142 is for the two angles. You must divide by 2. Divide this by 2. So 142 divided by 2, what do you get? You get 71. This is 71. So the whole thing here, whole thing is 71. You must minus the 36. Then you can get this angle here. When you minus 36, you get 35. Okay, 35 is which part? Is the brown part down here. This brown part down here. Okay, so I do not know whether you can see. Let's see. Shalina, can you see? Shalina cannot see it. Can see it. And Naomi, can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I do not know. That doesn't sound like Naomi. Okay. Anyway, when I say can see, doesn't mean I can see the screen. See, means you understand the question. Okay, never mind. If you can't, you watch the video. Okay, you know all of these are uploaded. You can watch again. Okay, who is stuck outside? Naomi is stuck outside. What is this? Let me see. She can see her. Oh, she disappeared. Okay, we move on to the next one. Let us see. Is there another angle? Clarissa will say there is no angle. Okay, there isn't. So number 17. The next one now. But some. I took quite a number. I got another 4 test papers to look through. And it's important to practice according to the test. Otherwise, it might be too easy. Can we try this one first? Which one is parallel to AB? I'm just going to highlight AB. You decide which one is parallel. AB is
So you
here.
got test me this before.
But is it the same paper? Are you sure? I don't know whether I've used this paper.
My answer correct.
Okay, this AB is here. Okay,
So
let us
this
see.
one you use for the Tuesday one. Remember?
Really? I don't remember. Okay, never mind. You see, we check. Who is this? All 2. So my sound looks so funny.
So my answer correct.
Who is just? The answer is so long, Okay,
Oh,
Farish
that
itu.
one also.
Okay, hold on. Carissa, your answer is 2, is it? Okay, everyone say 2 lah. There's one boy put 2. So let us see. AB. 2 is what answer EF. Yeah, okay. So your answer is correct lah, parallel. So remember, parallel is like 2 lovers, they cannot meet each other at the road, they never meet, and then it's a sad story. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Please try this one. BGC. Similar to your earlier ones lah. let's see. Farish, what's your answer, Farish? Let's see whether you're right. BGC, yeah? BGC. Let's see. You're waiting for the rest. Carissa says, I think it's too big. BGC is here, no? This angle here. You must know which angle they're talking about. Is the angle G. So, okay. Okay, Farish, thank you, Farish. Okay, let's see whether you're right. You're waiting for the rest also. So that's the angle. You can attempt the next one while we wait for the rest. So we are all doing at different speed. So you can try the next one while we're waiting for question 19 for the rest of it. Please don't write on the screen. What about the rest? Okay, Putra, thank you. I do not know whether, okay, I will run through a very clear. Now remember, the vertically opposite angle, what is it? It's like that, huh? Opposite angle are the same. So this angle you know already. What is this angle? It's 118. Now down here now, they tell you what are straight lines. FGC is a straight line. CGAF, straight line. So now you draw, you see, you can see, I'll draw down here for you. From here to here, this is straight line. If this is straight line, what does it mean? It means that this part on here is 180 degrees. Oh, this whole thing like that together is 180 degrees. Okay, so you take 180 minus 118 minus 48. 180 minus 118 minus 48. So how much do you get? Minus this one, you get 62. 62 minus 48 is 14. So you get 14 degrees here. Okay, I hope you understand. Opposite angles are the same. Now take 180 minus these two. Now we move on to the next one. Down here. Let's see. Farish has given an answer. Carissa and Farish have the same answer. Putra's answer is different. Okay. What about the rest? Are you all okay? Naomi can do, not Naomi. Shalina can do, Shalina. Shalina know how to do. Shafia can do not. Very simple. 180 minus these two. Mr. What's his name? Putra. Minus 90. 180 minus 90 get 90. 90 minus 29. You will get 61 here. Yeah, you said the answer. Let us see now. 61, Farish 61, Putra 61, Shalina 61. Well done. It's quite easy, Quite easy. Okay, try this one now. The next one then.
What is this?
What?
This.
Okay, rhombus. Sorry, Rhombus, These are all rhombus. What's a rhombus? All sides are the same. Opposite angles same, equal. This opposite equal. Okay, and they are parallel, 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 parallel. A rhombus is a parallelogram. So rhombus, all four sides are same. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, that's a rhombus. And if you were to draw, I'll give you one more fact. If you were to draw a diagonal, that means from here to here, from here and cut down here, this one be 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. That is a rhombus. Okay. Again, down here, can you see the difference between a normal parallelogram and a rhombus? If you draw the diagonals, inside is 90 degrees. Parallelogram doesn't mean it's 90 degrees. Okay. All right, we go back to this, okay? And you try.
Answer correct.
All right, let us see here, right? No, cannot be too small. How come you get so small? Not correct. JLM. This one, eh? Sorry. Oh, lama. Sorry, eh? JLK. JLM. No. Why am I looking at it? Okay. But the answer is not correct. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Correct. Well done, Carissa. What about the rest? You're tired already, eh?
I haven't yet.
Yeah, I know you can tahan, but the rest now look macam layu already. Shalina, are you okay, Shalina? Your head is a little bit slanted. Naomi, are you okay, Naomi? Slanted means. Parish, I don't know. You have not sent the answer yet. You were saying it's easy now. I do not know. Putra, come on, Putra, stop playing mustache. Come on, do the thing. You have a mustache. I shave all the time. Come, 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 come. Usna Shafia, where you turn on your video? Once you turn off video, other people will follow. So then I do not know what's happening. Okay, remember, opposite angles are the same. Remember, opposite angles are the same. So down here is 70 also, Putra. So this one, remember, is the same, equal angle. What triangle is this? Now, in this case, I will remove one of the triangle. Why? So that you can understand better. I remove this one. Why? Because you're seeing too much information. Now I do this, I think you know how to do. Am I correct? You try it, you can do. Let us see whether. Well done, Farish. So Farish, do not chonting, Farish. Don't chonting. Now you chonting, it will cause others. You have already finished your work. Don't sabotage the rest. After I remove you from the class, you know why? Because I see lah. Now I do like that. Okay, the rest, come on. Because the rest I might be not as fast as you. You see this boy, he doesn't want to listen. No, I take him out. Then after he will. Okay, if you are taken out from the class, anyone, you won't be able to join back the same day. Okay, remember that. If let's say I find I keep telling you, like last week, everyone start writing on the screen. Very bad. Then I warn one of you. The one that go on will know lah. So today might be Farish lah. Okay, come. Anyone. Okay, we have to go through it lah. Down here, this is 70 degrees. You want to find these two angles are the same. How to find these two angles? 180 minus 70. You get what? You get 110. 110 is for two angles. One here and another one here. So what must you do? You must divide this by 2. Why divide by 2? Because these two angles are the same at 55. Yeah, I hope you get it. I know you are tired. But try. Well done, Shalina. Okay, I know you're tired, but try. Okay, don't give up. You're just about to master it. You're just about. Okay, sometimes I know you're tired already. You want to switch off, but don't. Try your best. I made the mistake many times. Switching off at just it was in many things. Okay, now paper 2, let's see. Up. Okay, try this, please. Equilateral triangle, if you don't know, it means all the angles are the same. All the sides are the same. They mark this for you. This is an equilateral triangle. Down here, can you see? This is equilateral triangle. Means all the sides are the same. All angles are the same. Okay, we want to find X, Z, W. This one, Wow. Well done, Carissa. Carissa is all this easy. Really. But she's saying, why can't you give more difficult ones? Yeah. Okay, find the angle with a question mark first. You know how to find. If we give 1 minute and 1 minute, so. Can we complete this? This triangle have 3 equal angles. This 1, 2, and 3. So how to find one? 180 divided by 3, you get 60. Now this is the secret you should know. In fact, for Carissa, she knows automatically this is 60 already. She knows. She doesn't need to divide. She already memorized. So you must remember equilateral triangle. When all 3 angles are the same, it's always 60. Always. Okay, it will not be any other angle. It cannot be 59, cannot be 90. It will always be 60, 60, 60. Then you find this angle on here. Shafia, you know how to find this angle on here? This is a straight line. Straight line, how many degrees? You must know, 180 degrees, right? Actually, you don't even need to find it, sorry. You can do now. Okay, I do the method. I'm going to block out, okay? You can really find the answer already. Okay, Carissa is telling me, why am I doing it? So you don't need to have this anymore already. Okay, you don't need to have this. So you must be able to not see certain things. Okay, down here there. Now you can find the angle. You know down here is 60, right? You know down here is 60. Down here is 90. How much is this? You can find already. Shelina can find. This one is 90 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. You know how many degrees this is? Come on, come on. Yes, well done. Naomi, this is 60 degrees, 90 degrees. How much is this? Shafia, Farish, and where's Abang, Adik, Putra? Putra, come on, Putra. Putra really resting under the tree. So I read about you last time. The tortoise and the hare. Come. No mood there. Alamak. How come like that? So fast no mood. Okay. 180 minus 90 minus 60. Finish. You will get 30 degrees. Remember, we are just using 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So again, I want you to understand that sometimes you must not see things that are there. Okay, like for example, you look at someone, let's say my face got a lot lobang, and instead of focusing on the match, you focus on the lobang. In the end, you don't learn anything. Another person full of pimples, Okay, sometimes you want to eat your food, you cannot concentrate, you're looking at the pimple, and then you can see pus coming out. Then you start to imagine things. I cannot. Maybe. Okay, we move on to the next one. And here we go. This one we will have to draw. This one perimeter. This one mango. This one area length. Okay. This one looks like a primary 6 question. Let us try, and here we go. Come on, you can do this. What's a trapezium for those of you who do not know? I draw the outline for you down here. This is the trapezium. This one. Okay, this is a trapezium, but it's badly drawn by me. 2 parallel lines. Can not? Wow. These are very fast, huh? So sorry, Karissa, please try again. I might be wrong, let me see. Yeah? I think your answer is not correct. This is not equilateral, no. This is one isosceles. This one is not. This one parallel to this. These two are parallel. They didn't say that they are equal. Okay, this is an isosceles triangle. Shalina, you know, is it tough, Shalina? Oh, Shalina, is it tough? A little bit tough. Well done, Putri. It's a P6 question, Putri, yeah? A little bit like P6, because the level is quite difficult. Putri, there's one more question, Putri. Yes, can use calculator. You can use calculator for this one right from the beginning, Ms. Shafia. Right from the beginning lesson, I'm telling you, you can use. Okay, I'm going to run through the first one, because it seems that you all may not know how to do, or I do not know what happened. Okay, Carissa, just a moment, I'll be check. This one down here, this is a straight line. So you know straight line. How do we know a straight line? Normally they tell you FHG, FHJ, FH straight line. When it's straight line, you must remember it's 180 degrees. Down here, 180 degrees now. So you want to find this one? Very simple. 180 minus 138. What do you get? You get 42. This one here is 42 degrees. And then now I need to erase. And then these two sides are the same. These two angles are the same. Take 180 minus 42. What do you get? You get 138. This 2 is 138. Then 138 divided by 2, you get 69. According to 3. So here we go again. We know this 142. So 180 minus 142. This 180 minus 42. You get 138. This plus this is 138. Divide it by 2. 138 divided by 2. And you divide by 2, how much you get? 69. 69 degrees. 69 degrees. So the answer for question number A is 69. What about B? JFG. JFG. This one on here. You can find. You can find. How much is it? Okay, I show you now. I clear the screen, so you can see clearly. Okay, watch. If you clear the screen, sometimes you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna clear the screen down here. Because sometimes you got too much information, you cannot see, you know. So down here, okay, I remove. This one is 14. So this part down here is 69. Right? This one is 69. So no. Watch. Watch carefully here. You just need to look carefully. You will be able to get. This is 69. Watch carefully here. What happens now? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Can you see now? See, what is it? What is it? You see here? I have just shown you something. This angle is equal to this angle. You can see the Z now. Zing, zing, zing. This is also 69. That's one way. Okay, maybe Carissa has another way, let's say. So you want to find this angle, very simple, 180 minus 69 minus 93. Now use your calculator and find out now. How much is it? Let's see, 180 minus 69 minus 93, 18 degrees. JFG, 18 degrees. So Carissa, you gotta check. Maybe you found the whole thing, I think. You found the whole thing, right? 87, you're correct. 87 minus 69, you get 18. Okay? All right, we do one last question. I know you're tired. This last question. Last question. Inshallah, there's a last question here. Or there isn't. There isn't. You might have now Singapore Chinese girls. Okay, can you try this? BAC. Sorry, Putra, you forgot to do one more step. You got it already. Farish, well done. Naomi, you missed one more step. You got one more step to do. Because your answer is for these two. Your answer, you must divide by 2. Same thing as Putra. Your answer is for these two. So let us see, down here now. This is isosceles. Okay, first we remove this. We remove this first. Okay.
Am I correct?
You are correct, yes, well done. Down here now, we find out what, we don't look at this triangle yet, later that we look, okay? So you got to look one by one first. Down here, this is 55. So 180 minus 55 minus 55 gets 70. This is 70. And then how? Okay, then we go back to this one. Then down here is how much? Down here is 110 because 180 minus 70 is 110. You're correct. And then you want to find these two? These two is 70. 180 minus 110 is 70 for both of them. You must divide by 2 because there are also isosceles triangle. You see? So divide by 2, you get 35. Okay? So we'll stop here. Thank you very much. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.